Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to fix your following too fast error message on TikTok. Whenever you're trying to follow someone rapidly on TikTok, you'll receive this kind of a message that says you're following too fast, which means you won't be able to follow many people at the same time on TikTok. In order to fix this issue, keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button if you've not yet, and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. If you get the "you're following too fast" error message, then you'll need to stop repetitively following others on TikTok. Instead, you can slow down and follow others in intervals. After that happens, you won't be able to follow any more people on TikTok since TikTok will stop you from doing so. What you can do instead is go and tap on the settings on your phone, go to apps, select TikTok from the list of the applications displayed on the screen, and tap on force stop at the bottom right. Now, from the pop-up, select OK, and now from the same page, tap storage. Try clearing the cache and data of the application by tapping on the bottom right for clearing cache, and tap on clear data at the bottom left. From the pop-up, select OK. Now go back to TikTok and tap it open. Now go ahead and slow down while following others in TikTok. Follow people on intervals since you don't want to exceed the following limit on TikTok, which is somewhere around 30 users per hour. To this point, you can only wait it out until the problem is solved. Take a little break and come back after an hour and try following more people again. Those are some of the fixes that you can try out whenever you're receiving "you're following too fast" error message on TikTok. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.